Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to transfer money from JazzCash to Binance. Firstly, ensure you have funds on your JazzCash account. Sign up on Binance if you don't have an account, or log in. Ensure your Binance account is connected to a Peer-to-Peer platform, if available in your country or has a local payment method like a bank account linked to it. Go to the P2P section on Binance, choose a seller who accepts JazzCash as a payment method. You can search for trades offering to sell USDT or other stablecoins. Once you find a suitable offer, click on Buy. Follow the instructions provided by the seller and complete the payment via JazzCash. Once the seller receives your JazzCash payment, they will release the crypto to your Binance account. And after the transaction is completed, the funds, usually USDT or another cryptocurrency, will appear in your Binance wallet. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.